Massive congratulations to TS13 FPV on his victory in the raffle for the Flyfish 55 DJI Avata Pro model. We've got a paid giveaway and we've got a free giveaway, and you can either enter one, the other, or you can enter both. You can do whatever you want. So first of all, we've just released a review of the Hisingy Mach500, and in that I did mention that you will be able to win that drone. To enter that competition, all I need you to do is to go to the Hisingy review and leave a comment 500, or leave a comment with 500 written in it in numerical values, so 500. No spaces, etc, etc. That's all you need to do to enter that competition. That's a free competition. It's open worldwide. It won't cost you anything for postage or anything whatsoever. Everybody is eligible to enter that. Go for it. Head over there now. Now, on a slightly more premium note, because we did cover the cost of the previous raffle, we're now able to afford to bring you another raffle. And what better drone to offer on a channel that's aimed at people that haven't necessarily flown before and would like a bit of a safety net than a DJI Avata 2. Now, this is going to cost you £1, $1, €1, or whatever your currency is equivalent to that to enter. You can enter as many times as you want. Again, all we hope is that we cover the cost of actually buying it for you. That way, it will be fair to everybody. It's not just paid giveaways and it's not just free giveaways, but we're also sort of helping the channel grow at the same time. So this will be brand new. It will be sealed. It will be sent to you directly from DJI. Cost you £1, €1, or $1 to enter. The link is in the description down below. As always, if you've got any questions whatsoever, please do ask them. Now, I'm going to put some footage on screen as I'm talking about the Avata 2. A lot of people think, oh, well, it's not a real FPV drone. And sure, it's not going to perform in the same way that a 5-inch FPV drone will perform. Of course it won't. It's ducted, it's 3 inches, it's lithium ion. But if you look at the footage, which is probably somewhere here right now, you'll see that actually it's incredibly well capable of flying crazily, of flying fast. I did a shoot with Lamborghinis, Mercedes, all sorts of exotic supercars, and the FPV drone I was going to use, unfortunately, there was a problem with it, so I had the Avata 2 as a backup, and it worked perfectly fine because it does use essentially that DJI Avata Pro system within that Avata 2. So it's so versatile. You can also leave it in a mode whereby it flies a bit like a camera drone, a bit like a Mavic. It isn't a camera drone and it isn't an FPV drone, but it's a brilliant entry to get you into the hobby whilst still offering you incredible quality. So what better way of getting you into the hobby then than something like a DJI Avata 2 for just £1, just €1, or just $1. You can enter as many times as you want, of course. The previous winner of the previous raffle has received their prize today, and I'm hoping that they'll drop a comment down below and just pop up and say hi. We'll bring as many of these to you as we possibly can. As long as you guys want them and as long as you guys are happy with them, we'll keep bringing them to you. So then the only remaining question is, do you want to win an Avata 2 or a Mach500? Details below for the Avata 2. Leave a comment with the word 500 and you'll be entered into that one. Follow the link and you'll be entered into this one. Why not enter them both?